Welcome to Rockies. We got Traeger grills. This is the $4.99 one. This is $7.99 one. This is the $9.99 one. This is the other big one. New one just came in. $16.99.99. Nice one too. And this granddaddy. This one like $2,000. We got all the things up here. And we also got these Webers. This one, that one, that one. Prices on that one. That one's $249. That one's $199. $9.49. And we also have Traeger accessories. And we have Weber grill mark and Weber accessories also. We got the new pizza grate for Weber too. We have all that. I'm not moving too fast. We're good.